fellas, I'm gonna let you in on a secret that can help you out with the ladies. Shh. Hit it. We know ladies love curls. They say the girls love the curls. And if your hair isn't naturally curly, I'm gonna help you out with a way that your hair can look curly and she won't even know. Next thing you know, you're going to GTD, get the draws. You want to use what I call the woke technique. Water, oil, and conditioner. Now you want to combine all three. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how you can do this so you can have curls. And she's going to love you for it. Let's go. Number one, apply the water to your hair. Get it nice and damp because that's softening it up so your hair can digest the product better. Number two, take your oil and rub it in your hair. Now my hair right now, oh my God, it's so soft, it feels like cotton. But I'm gonna take it up another notch to make the curls stand out more. Last step, conditioner. Fingertip full of conditioner. Get it all up in your hair. And as you're putting it in your hair, you want to go in a circular motion. Take your hand, circular motions. Circular motion. Now you see how my hair is curly? It's curly all the way around. That's the cheat code of how you get your hair curlier. And she won't know. The products that I use, Dixon 1737 leave-in conditioner, and this is my Dixon 1737 miracle oil. I'll leave a link to the products in the description. Also, if you click right here, the products are right there you can purchase. But that's just our secret. Don't tell the ladies, fellas. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all later. Ciao.